So I got out the other day, it was probably about 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and I actually went to record a video. Got everything all done, came home, was stoked, went to edit it, loaded it all to the computer. It was washed out. You couldn't even see it. I mean, it looked like a white screen. I ended up going and ordering some filters for the camera, so hopefully those will be coming in next week, and I can get out and actually record in the middle of the day without having to worry about it. It was just so bright, man, you couldn't see anything. The road looked like it was a damn highway to heaven or something. Hey guys, what's up? Brian here. Thanks for tuning in today. So a couple weeks ago, I actually ended up doing a giveaway for the full left side cleanup, and I know a lot of you guys were actually looking forward to winning that. And unfortunately, there can only be one winner to a contest, and it ended up being a guy named Alex Skipman out of Texas. And you know, like I said at the time, I couldn't have hoped for it to go to a better person. His build is actually already awesome, and this is just going to top it off, you know, put that cherry on top of it. So big congratulations to Alex on winning that. Now, I actually did contact him just the other day, and you know, was trying to get everything figured out, and he ended up going with the blue and black Vibrance Performance lines and the blue and black fittings. And hopefully, you know, here in the next few weeks, I can actually get a video made over his bike, and we can all see, you know, exactly how it all came together. Like I said before, his bike is actually one of my favorite builds. So when I actually contacted him and, you know, was getting everything straightened out, he actually let me know that he had already done the AIS block-off plates. So I told him, you know, I said, hey, they're yours. You can take them, sell them, do what you want with them. You know, make a little bit of extra money and put it towards your build. And he was like, no, man, you know, I don't need them. You go ahead and take them and figure out somebody else who needs them. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do another giveaway. So just like before, I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link down in the description below. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to give away the AIS block-off plates. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to include a little kit to relocate your fuel pressure regulator as well. So that will only leave you to have to purchase the lines, the Vibrant Performance lines, and the quick release to actually have a full left side cleanup done on your own bike. And this will actually allow you to go ahead and get rid of that scoop, and you know, you'll still have the dry brake on the side underneath of it, but you won't have that ugly bracket that holds the fuel pressure regulator and everything. So, like I said, I'm going to go ahead. I'll leave a link in the description below. I want to give a big thank you and a big congratulations to Alex for both winning the contest and for helping this next contest to go down. And also, while I'm at it, I want to go ahead and give a big shout out to Guy Merkel Jr. Probably about 2 or 3 months back, he saw on one of my videos or picture that I posted or something that my rear tire was getting, you know, kind of bald. So he actually went and sent me a full set front and rear tires. So like I said, I want to give a big thank you to him for that. I've got the rear on now, and it is working awesome. I've got no complaints at all about it. I actually plan on giving the front tire to my father because his is actually getting low himself. So, like I said, big thank you to Guy Merkel Jr. for that. Guys, thanks for tuning in today. I really appreciate you being here. Like I said, I wanted to kind of just bring you guys a quick video, catch up, let you guys know that we're going to be doing this contest. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Let's just do it for 4 days. Let's start it tonight at midnight. We're going to run it through, I guess, Sunday. And then I will go ahead and I will draw the winner on Sunday, and I'll include that in Monday's video. On Monday, I'm actually going to have a video out over how to lube your cables, how to lube them, when to lube them, where to lube them, when not to lube them, different ways of lubing them, what to lube with, you know, make sure you're not using KY jelly It's a very good, you know, lube, but probably not the best application for it. So we'll talk about all that on Monday's video, so be sure to watch for that. And guys, be sure to like and share this video, and if you're not subscribed, be sure to scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, get notified to all my videos as soon as they come out. You know, other than that, guys, we'll see you next time.